Brzezinski warned him not to do it because it would perhaps undercut the importance of during crises.
Like the rest of the White House, the Situation Room has been renovated and rebuilt. It has grown in size, scope,
what are you doing there, you brat?
as the threats to the nation have changed.
Following 9/11 and during a period of war, the Situation Room really proved inadequate in terms of its capabilities. We made the decision that the facility needed to be modernized. We needed more conference rooms to have classified conversations in. And then the facility was really taken down to the brick and the dirt floor. It was totally gutted top to bottom. And in the process of doing that, we exposed a lot of...
What are you doing there?
And it's a miracle that the West Wing's not burned to the ground.
Today, the Situation Room, or SIT Room, is composed of approximately 30 personnel organized around 5 watch teams that monitor both domestic and international